Hey guys, welcome to today's Vehicle Visionary. Today I'm going to show you how to use the sliding second row in this Honda Odyssey minivan. And it's easy to do in the respect of how it works, even though this middle seat's a little bit on the heavy side, but not terribly. But here's how you do it. You're going to start by pulling on this little latch right here and lowering the seat back. And then down here on the floor, you've got another latch. When you pull on that, it allows you to tilt the seat forward. And there is a little handle that you can grab on the front of the seat, and you can actually take this seat and take it completely out of the Odyssey. So I'm gonna set that right there. And what this allows you to do is to take advantage of this handle right here. As you can see, there's a little adjustment on the bottom. When you pull up on that, it allows you to slide the seat back and forth. And the same thing on the passenger side. So you can slide these seats in both directions and actually maximize your cargo space that way. It's a nice feature. And of course, you can leave that seat out or put it back in whenever you want to. But just one of the nice features of the 2021 Honda Odyssey minivan. And this is, of course, available on previous years of the Odyssey as well. And in case anyone wants to know, do these other seats come out just like this one right here? Well, the answer is no, at least not without some additional work with having to unbolt some things. So you can't take those seats out the same way you take the middle seat out, but that doesn't mean you can't take those out if you absolutely wanted to. And putting it back in is not terribly difficult either. Let me slide back in here. All you're gonna do is basically put the front right here, and then it just literally locks in place. It's actually very easy to do. What you're gonna do is make sure, tilting the seat forward like this helps. As you can see, it's hooked into the appropriate areas right there. And now all you have to do is just drop it into place. You're gonna hear it snap into place, and you can bring the seat back up again by pulling on this little strap right here, and you're ready to go. I hope you enjoyed today's tutorial, guys. If you did, let me know if you want to see more and what you would like to see, and I'll make sure to feature that here on another Vehicle Visionary tutorial. Thanks for taking the time to watch. Have a great day.